Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to film this quick, simple, and affordable Valentine's Day look for you all. Well, I like to call it Galentine's Day because I am forever alone and I have no man. So this is for my girls. Yeah, I'm not bitter or nothing. So I got a whole bunch of Colourpop stuff. Their stuff is always super affordable, super pigmented, and so worth the money. So I got their Ooh La La set, which came with all of these lipsticks. And so that was a really great set for only 30 bucks. This whole look is literally under maybe 50 bucks, which is not bad at all. I'm going to stop talking. I just want to ask y'all one simple question. Are you subscribed? No? Huh? Come on, it's Valentine's Day. Just show me some love. Just, you know, like, subscribe, hit a notification button. Send me to your grandma, your mama, your auntie, your cousins, all that jazz. And let's chill on. Alexa, play Let's Get Down to Business from Mulan. Okay, so I have a big box of goodies from Colourpop, everything from brows all the way to contour and highlight. So let's get started. So starting off with eyebrows, I'm just gonna do one brow on camera, and I love this brow pencil from Colourpop. It is their Black and Brow eyebrow pencil because it is super easy to use and super pigmented. A little bit goes a long way. And now that that brow is all finished, I am going to do the other brow off camera. So I am just going to set these brows with some NYX eyebrow gel in the color Expresso. And for my face, I am going to color correct these oh so fabulous dark marks with some NYX butter lipstick in the color Lifeguard. And I love using this lipstick to color correct because it is super creamy, blendable, and it provides enough camouflage to hide these little bitty pretties on my face. For foundation, I am using my favorite L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the color Soft Sable, which is super mattifying and provides me with a great finish. For my eyes, I want to make sure that my soft pink eyeshadow look really pops, so I'm using this NYX eyeshadow base. So Colourpop came out with this beautiful palette in soft pinks and purples called Ooh La La, which is perfect for my Valentine's Day look. So first off, for my crease, I am using the color called Poodle and applying a lot of shadow in my crease on both eyes. I'm going to put in the outer crease a color called Opulent, which is this purplish hot pink, and just use a tapered brush to really pack on that pigment. As you see, I'm kind of making them into circles on the outer corner of my eyes and into that crease. And I'm taking my time and just going back and forth, making sure that I have a lot of pigment packed on those sides of my eyes. And I'm just going to take a big fluffy blending brush and kind of softly blend that out. And then take the taper brush again and pack a little bit more on. I'm just going to go in with some Colourpop concealer and put that all over my lid so that the color can really pick up. For any concealer that's gotten over the top crease of my eye, I'm just going to use a soft brush and blend it out. And for my lid, I am going to use the color called Sandbar, which is this hot pink color, and apply that all over my lid. And with this hot pink Sandbar color, I'm really just packing on that pigment with a nice dense eyeshadow brush. You can really see that color is picking up. I'm going to use the color called Trove, and with a tapered blending brush, put that on the outer corner of my eyes, and then use a soft brush again to just blend that out. It's just to provide some more depth and dimension. For my eyebrow bone, I'm going to use the color called Soft Core and lightly place that under my eyebrows. And now I'm just going to do my lashes off camera. We're picking back up with my face, so I'm using my Colourpop concealer in the color Dark 40, which used to be Tan 50. All of these names have now been rebranded, and kind of just fast forwarding through that process of blending out the concealer using a Beauty Bakery egg. For contour, I am using Colourpop's Deep Dark 185W shade to contour my face. It is a foundation, but I use it to contour, and it is a really creamy consistency, and as you can see, it's pretty easy to blend out, so I really like it. And it's not super dark pigment at all. It's just enough to provide some warmth to my face. For my nose, I'm using my Real Techniques little contour brush and making sure that I give myself a sculpted nose, and then add a little circle in the middle to just make that a little button. I am using the Colourpop loose powder in the shade Banana to bake. And I haven't used this powder in a long time, but I forgot how good it is. It doesn't leave a white cast. Well, actually, it can leave a white cast if you keep it on too long, but I just keep it on for a few seconds. And then I am wiping it away with this No Filter Sheer Matte Pressed Powder in the color Medium Dark. And you can see that that powder just smoothly goes away. For contour, I'm using the Morphe bronzer in the color Debutante. I'm using that to sculpt out my cheeks and of course go over my nose again. And to just lighten up that contour on my nose, I'm just going to take the brush that I used to brush away that loose powder. For my lower lash line, I am taking the color Opulent and putting that on my lower lash line. And then I am taking the color Big Sugar, which is that soft, sparkly, light pink color, and putting that close to the inner corner of my eye. For my inner corner, I am using this iridescent pale pink color called Tickle. Just finishing up that lower lash line with some mascara. Usually I fill in my mole with some liquid eyeliner just to keep it soft and romantic. I am going in with my Colourpop brow pencil. For blush, I am using this color by Colourpop called Parakeet. And I'm going really ham on the blush because it's kind of light. But once I put a little bit of Mario Badescu spray on it, it showed up a lot more. And it just gives me that soft, romantic pink color. And of course, I'm using my favorite highlighter, Pose, and I'm applying it all over my face, starting with my brow bone, the little point of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and of course, I'm adding that blinding effect to my cheeks. As you can see, it really shows up on camera. I just love this highlighter. I got 4 lipsticks in this set. So the first lipstick is this hot pink called Sweetner, dusky pink called Soft Spot, and then this hot pink color called Just a Crush. And lastly, we have the gloss called Head in the Clouds. And as you can see, I'm kind of at a loss of what to put on my lips, so I basically put everything in the set on my lips. So starting off with that hot pink matte lipstick called Just a Crush, I placed that all over my lips, and it's not as pigmented as I thought it would be. It kind of goes on a bit sheer, and then to deepen it and add some more dimension, I went in with that Sweetener lipstick kind of around the outer edges of my lips. I wanted to give it a little bit more pizzazz, so I added a touch of the lip gloss called Head in the Clouds, and I just applied some Morphe setting spray, and there you have it. So this is the completed look. As you can see, it was a really simple eye makeup look, but because Colourpop's palettes are so pigmented, I was just like, you know what, this shadow can speak for itself, and it's really bright pink eye. I didn't even put glitter on it, and you know I love glitter, but I just did a really pink glittery eye look. I can't speak. I just did a pink glittery eye look for my sweater weather makeup look. The way I'm saying it right now is because I tried to say it 3 other times and it did not work. So I wanted to keep the eye look super simple and make a really bright look, and I achieved this lip by using every single Colourpop lipstick that I got from my box set because I couldn't decide, so I just mixed them all. But I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all soon. Bye!